What is up, guys? Let me use her Chroma Luger, the girl that I actually, excuse me, I burped. The girl that, the girl that I defended, basically. So she was gonna let me try she was gonna let me try her Chroma Luger. So she recently got scammed, which is why she won't. I'm not gonna scam. I wanna just use it for video. Alright, so she accepted. She's letting me use it. Nice. Nice. Okay. So I have her Chroma Luger. Very interesting weapon. Let me just show it on the camera. So it's basically all the other Chromas, but as you can see, like, it changes color. It is the rarest obtainable murder mystery item. So basically, nope, sorry, I'm not trading that. I am unable to. I'm not trading it. But yeah, hopefully I get around with it. All I need to be sure of. Oh shoot. Monday! See, you guys can trust me. See, I have a good enough reputation to where I can be lended Chroma Luger. See, this is why you don't scam. Because you can get nice things like this. People can let you borrow nice things like this. For not being a scammer, I was able to get Chroma Heat, which is super dope. But yeah, Chroma Heat is mine officially. I can't trade it away though. It's the deal that I made with him. He let me keep it. So, is there? Oh, okay, they're still playing. They're being dumb. Whoa, there's that profanity? How do you even do that? I see mine got blurred out. Ignore that, guys. He's just being an idiot. Gotta throw a quick one up there. Bro, quit cursing. Normal life. Who is this guy that keeps cursing? Chill out. Oh, hi, Choni. It's just my German Shepherd. I'm on the road to 1K. I'm gonna hit 1K. And I'm gonna be epic big. Big epic. I want to use Sheriff so I can see this dope Chroma Luger, because this Chroma Luger is super dope. You can see it right there, Chroma Luger. I hope you're not the murderer. No, it's I see this guy as the sheriff. I need a gun. So here is the Chroma Luger. As you can see, it is a very, very nice weapon. Very nice weapon. Showcase. But yeah, very, very interesting gun. I like it a lot. It's just basically, I mean, Luger itself is pretty popular. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it back to her. Alright, so I'm gonna give her back her Chroma Luger. Very nice weapon. Hopefully one day I can get one. But for now I'm just gonna stick with my Chroma Heat. And I'm gonna accept. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Giveaway video is coming out. Actually, screw it. Let's do it right now. So the item that I was gonna give away was this item. If you guys want to have a chance to win a heat, like the Chroma that I have, but not Chroma, just the regular heat, 55 seer, 60 seer heat. Same steps as always. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and in 1 week exactly, or less or more, I'll be doing the winner as well as delivering it and doing another giveaway. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to join the new Chroma, the new godly giveaway, make sure to follow the instructions, and I'll see you guys later.